Good afternoon, my YouTube viewers. It's Crystal here. I'm here this afternoon because I want to do a code review for you on how to remove the outliers from a list. Well, there's lots and lots of algorithms that you can use to remove outliers. And I spent like yesterday and today trying to find the best outlier, and this is the best algorithm that I could find to remove outliers from a list of numbers. And the reason why is because I use lots of different algorithms, and not all of them work. I mean, the people who wrote the algorithms, they may have worked for those people, but they certainly didn't work for me. My Google Colab went into error, and because my Google Colab went into error, I wasn't sure exactly how to correct the error, so I had to find another algorithm. So I'm using this algorithm right here, and I'm going to go over the code with you. So the first thing you have to do is you have to import NumPy as NP. Then you have to define your function. It's called del outliers, and it's going to accept a list of numbers as its input. And then so what we're going to do is we're going to sort this list of numbers, and so other list equals sorted num list. And then we're going to print the other list. So you can see how we printed the other list here. And then we're going to print the length of the list, which has got 21 elements in it. So now what we're going to do is we're going to define our upper and our lower quartile. So upper Q equals NP percentile, other list 75. Lower Q equals NP percentile, other list 25. IQR equals upper list minus lower list times 1.5. Then Q set equals lower list minus IQR and upper list plus IQR. And then we're going to print the Q set. So you can see the Q set is neg 475 and 1725. So anything less than neg 475 will be an outlier, and anything more than 1725 will be an outlier. And then what we do is we create a blank list called a result list for y in other list if y is greater than or equal to q set 0, and that's your lower q, and y is less than or equal to q set 1, that's your upper q. Then the result, you're going to append y to result list. And then so we're going to return result list and the length of result list. So you can see here, here's your result list, and the length list is 19. The length is 19. So basically, what we're doing is we're using this list here as the list, and it has an outlier of 5,000 and 10,000. So what it has done, has removed the 5,000 and 10,000. So instead of 21 items in the list, you only have 19 because it's removed 2 elements, leaving you with 19. So that's your code review for how to write a function to delete outliers. And as I said, there's lots of algorithms out there on how to do this. And I picked the algorithm that would work on Google Colab because every time I tried to use an algorithm, my Google Colab would go into error, and I wasn't sure exactly how to correct the error. So it worked on this algorithm, and obviously, so I decided, well, if it worked on this algorithm, this is obviously the best algorithm to use. So I'm going to go ahead and conclude this video, I'd like to thank my subscribers for supporting my channel. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. And I look forward to making more videos for you in the future.